Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to factory reset your AirPods. The first thing you need to do is disconnect them from your Apple ID/iCloud account. To do this, go into the Settings app on your iPhone.
From here, tap Bluetooth.
You should see your AirPods listed in the settings. Tap the little eye information icon next to your AirPods. This will take you to your AirPods settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Forget this device. Then tap Forget Device again to confirm. This will remove the AirPods from your iCloud account. As you can see, they've now disappeared from our Bluetooth settings and are fully removed from our iCloud account. All we need to do now is factory reset our AirPods Pro, so we can delete any remaining information. First, open the AirPods case and make sure both AirPods are inside. With the case open, find the button on the back. Press and hold this button until the LED at the front starts flashing white. Keep holding the button for around 5 to 15 seconds until the LED at the front starts flashing amber. As you can see, it is now flashing amber, which means our AirPods have now been fully reset. You can remove your finger from the button, close the AirPods case, and they are now ready to be paired or passed on to a new owner. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech tips.